Okay, guys, now please listen to me carefully. You need pen and paper, and I'll just tell you a few things about IELTS writing. The first thing is there are two writing tasks, whether you take academic IELTS or general training IELTS, there are two tasks. One is task 1, that is of 150 words, and for academic IELTS candidates, task 1 is report writing, and for general training IELTS candidates, task 1 is letter writing. You have to write a letter for general training and report for academic. Then we have task 2, that is for minimum 250 words, and task 2 is essay writing. So there are four types of essays, there are four types of reports, and there are three types of letters. And you should know the types and you should be able to identify the types. Once they give you an essay, you read the topic and you easily identify, yes, it's a discussion essay, it's an opinion essay, and all that. Okay. Now, today we are going to talk about one of these four essay types, and that is discussion essay. As far as discussion essay is concerned, it's very easy to understand discussion essay. Why? Whenever they give discussion essay, they use the word discuss. And the statement goes like discuss both views and give your own opinion. Now, don't misunderstand from the word opinion. Huh? It's an opinion essay. You just forget it all. Listen, they said discuss both views. And by the way, in opinion essay, there is only one view. In a discussion essay, in the question, there are always two contrasting views. Now, what are contrasting views? Some people prefer to study in their own country and they think it's better. On the other hand, a large number of young people prefer to go to foreign countries, own country and foreign country. Now, what are they? They are two contrasting views. Some people prefer to live in the cities because they think life is full of facilities. On the other hand, some people prefer to live in the countryside because of the peacefulness and all that. So in a discussion essay, they will always give you two contrasting views, opposite views. And along with these two, and they will use the word meanwhile, on the other hand, right? So there will be two views and you will understand number one from there. Number two, at the end, they will use the word discuss both views and give your own opinion. So there are different ways of writing discussion essay. I would like to tell you two ways to write discussion essay. First, you are going to write introduction. In introduction, you can write 3 sentences. Sentence number 1, general sentence about the topic. Sentence number 2, paraphrasing the topic. Whatever the topic statement they have given, you are going to reword it. You are going to rearrange the order. If they talked about village life first, you talk about village life at the end. If they have used the word village, you use the word countryside. If they have used the word city, you use the word urban. So just try to rephrase, rearrange, reword the topic, and then this is the second sentence. And third sentence is your thesis sentence. For a discussion essay, it's same all the time. In this essay, I will discuss both views before reaching a final conclusion. Or in this essay, I will highlight both views before I make my recommendation or before making my recommendation. So this is what we call thesis sentence. And thesis sentence will tell the examiner the type of essay you are writing. And thesis sentence is different for all 4 essay types. So in introduction, how many sentences? 3. Now, after that, one way is to write 4 total paragraphs. Introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and 1 conclusion. So if you're going to write 2 body paragraphs, then the first paragraph should be about the topic where you agree or which you support. As they've written, discuss both views and give your own opinion. What is your opinion? I support city life or I support village life. So if you support village life, first paragraph of your essay should be about the village life. And then the second paragraph should be about city life. If you support studying in a foreign country, then the first paragraph in your discussion essay should be about foreign country, and you can write 2 to 3 benefits, or you can write 2 to 3 arguments about that. First of all, if you study in a foreign country, you can get international degrees. Secondly, explain this point. And secondly, you can talk about career opportunities. You can talk about jobs and all that. So at least there should be 2 points, okay? So the point is, if you agree with one side, you will write about that more, and you will write about it in the first paragraph of your body. This is introduction. This is first body paragraph. Second body paragraph about the second side. On the other hand, some people believe if you study in your own country, you cannot be homesick, the environment and the culture, like there is no culture shock in your own country, something like that, okay? And then you are going to conclude, and in conclusion, you will clearly mention that in the light of above mentioned arguments, I would like to conclude that studying in a foreign country is far better than studying in your own country. Living in a village is far better than living in any noisy and polluted city. So you will make that negative, and the point that you have, you will make it positive. So this is discuss both views and give your own opinion. Like it's just like a debate competition. There are boys are better or girls are better. They say, okay, boys are this, girls are this. At the end, you conclude. So you got to give a definite conclusion. Definite conclusion is not the middle conclusion. Both lives are better. Village life is good, city life is also good. Okay, not like this. It's a confused conclusion. So you will not give a confusing conclusion. You will give a definite conclusion, and that conclusion is based on your arguments that you discussed. Minimum 250 words and maximum, it's up to you. But don't write more than 350 words, then you will have issues with your time management. Okay, all right, thank you.